Welcome back, guys. So today we are solving the GFG problem of the day, that is phone directory. It is rated hard. Okay, so before moving on to the question, please subscribe to our channel and like this video. We solve GFG problem of the days and all the lead code daily challenges and all the contest solutions of Code Chef and Code Forces you will get here. Okay, you can also join our Telegram group. uh, it is in the description, the group link. Okay, you can just join the group, we can discuss our code there. Okay, so let's see what the question states. We are doing this question without using try. Okay, so let's see what the question states. We are given a list of contact array of length n, where each contact is a string which exists in a phone directory, and a query string s. The task is to implement a search query for the phone directory. We have to run the search query for each prefix p of the query s. Okay, that is from index 1 to s. Okay, that prints all the distinct contacts which have the same prefix as p in lexicographical order, increasing order. Okay, so we have to see the explanation. Okay, for example, here we are given the contacts geeky geekiest and geeks for geeks and geeks for test. Okay, and our query is gips. Okay, so let's see here. Here the contact is given, this. So what I have done in the code is I have sorted the contact because we need in lexicographical increasing order. Okay, so if I sort this, then it will get sorted in lexicographical increasing order. Similarly, I have taken a vector of string for the storing the answer, and then what I do is I traverse the query as first. So the query as is GEEIPS. I traverse this. So initially what I store in this temp is uh, 0 till I plus 1. That is, now I is 0. So 0 till 1, that is G is stored first. Okay. So temp equals to G. And then I take a set, because set will contain, set will have every unique elements, unique strings, and it will also contain in a lexicographical increasing order. Okay, so it will sort it. Okay, so that's why I'm using a set here. And then what I do is here, first the temp is G. Okay, so I run a for loop for each extra letter, that is GE. Then is for loop that is for this contacts. Okay, so for contacts, what I do is I store the first contact here, like geeky's test is stored here. Then the first letter of geeky's test, which is G, is stored in the B. Then similarly in the second iteration, what geeks for geeks first letter, that is G, stored, and the B is stored, and geeks for test, G is stored here. Okay, so then what I do is I compare if the B is double equals to temp, like here, uh, temp equals to G and B is also G for geekiest test and geeks for geeks and geeks for test, three of them. So what I do is I insert three of them into the set, and after getting out of this loop, what I do is, until the set is empty, I push it into the vector. Okay, so I get my first three, like this output three into my vector first. Okay, let's see, this is similar for the second and the third iteration, as our temp will be G, then GE, then GEE, and GGE and GEE. Three of them have same, three of them are the prefix for these three of the strings. Okay, so we are very clear about this. Up to third iteration, we are storing three of them into our set. Okay, into our vector. So at the fourth iterations, what happens is our query is GEEI, and it is only GEEI for the first string of contact vector. Okay, so the first string of the contact vector, I'm sorry for the background noise. Okay, so for the first string of the contact vector will only get inserted into the vector. Okay, here, because the B will be double equals to temp only when GEEI is equal with the query. Okay, Then when I type geeip, then what happens is in the fifth and the sixth iteration, nothing has prefixes geeip. So none of them will get inserted into the set, and none of them will get inserted into the vector. Okay, so we will execute the else part for that time, and we will insert 0 into the vector. Okay, so at last what we will get is for the fourth and the fifth iteration we are inserting 0. Okay, so here you can see we are inserting 0, and for the for the fifth and the sixth iteration, I'm actually sorry, so for the fourth iteration only geei will be get geeky's test will get inserted. Okay, i I guess it's good. You will get the code in the comments. Okay, let's submit it and see. Please like this video if you get the concept. Okay, I guess you'll get the try solution anywhere on the YouTube, not this one. So please subscribe and join the Telegram group. Okay. Thank you.